Learn and grow on the Dotty Show. I will be showing you 3 ways on how to be a gentleman. Now you may ask, why do I want to be a gentleman? Because being a gentleman will help you have good relationships now and in the future. So let me show you. Pull out the chair for the ladies in your life. Open the doors for anyone around you, while you're at the store, restaurants, or anywhere else. Help others carry their heavy bags and pick up anything they drop. Please like and subscribe and stay creative.